Hi, I'm Shawna Coronado. Welcome to Easy as 1, 2, 3 Gardening Tips. This is my cutting garden, and today I'm going to show you how you cut a flower. It's super easy, and my favorite flowers in the garden are right behind me, the Nicotiana Nicki White. So beautiful, and they're also pollinators. My goal when I plant the garden is to make sure that I've planted pollinating plants as well as beautiful flowers together, all mixed up. What happens is gorgeous. My favorite flowers for this year's cutting garden: Nicotiana Nicki White, Snapdragon Rocket Series Rocket White and Golden, Zinnia, Zahara Fire, and Zinnia State Fair mixture. So let's get to work. We're going to cut the flowers so you can use them in a display. And the key to that is getting in close and then getting down as far as you can and snipping the flower off right at an intersection. Cutting a snapdragon is super easy. When you cut, you go down to the nearest intersection on the plant, you give it a snip, and off you go. Now, the reason that you cut at the intersection is because you want it to branch out and flower more. In fact, the more you cut, the more your plants will flower. Let's cut some of the Nicotiana. The first flowers that I cut are always the ones that need to be cleaned up a little, so I go low first. I'm going to cut this at the intersection, and then cut this one at the intersection. Once again, what will happen is that plant will branch out and become more beautiful, and this will look lovely on your kitchen table. Once you cut the plants, then you have to strip the leaves off. Just strip them right down like that, and then under running water, you cut the base of the plant, the tip here, at an angle again, and then you put them in the container. The reason you're stripping off the leaves is to prevent fungus and bacteria from growing at the base where the water is. And so here we go. Pink, yellow, white, beautiful on your kitchen table, beautiful on your fireplace. I think you need a cutting garden. Thanks for joining me for Easy as 1, 2, 3 Gardening Tips. If I can grow a cutting garden, you can grow one too.